Chuck's back again. Thanks to Brett. I've just changed I've changed my program a little bit, or his program a little bit. He has, not me. We've changed it. I've actually put my credentials in here, so that's part of the program, which is the ASCD 1-1-1. Now, his update on his website has updated his firmware he's made, and you have to use this USB Core H program. So you need to put that into, so if you go to your desktop kind of thing, or your computer, and then go down to Documents and go into Arduino, and then hop into your library, go down to the shield, because this is where it needs to go into, and you need to put that in there, and you need to rename the original file, which is USB core. You need to rename that old USB core.h, and then add the other file in by copy and pasting that. I hope you know what you're doing there. So that's just Control C, Control V, just in case you don't know that, but I'd say most people do. Anyway, that's all done, and then all I have to do is program it. So like I said, I've got to program my second one, which is here. So I'm just going to rename that number 2. I've changed that to number 2, so down in that line there. And now I'm just going to do that. Now it points to his server. I don't know whether you want to point it somewhere else, but I'm pointing it to Brett's server because I want to be involved in what Brett is doing, because Brett is doing some good stuff, and I would highly recommend everyone to support Brett. I've got to work out how I'm going to support, but yeah, eventually I will. So don't worry, Brett, I will be supporting you. So also go to his channel, have a look what he's done. This is the final connection. I'll just plug it in and just show you. It's now, so it's coming up, and yeah, look, it's now initiating the latest version, and it's really doing a good job. I still have to re-screw some of these things back in, and I'm still waiting on a couple of Dallas sensors which haven't arrived from China yet, and I don't know where the hell they've gone, and I might have to clean up some of these screws. I think my cat has been up on my table and has been attacking them. And don't forget, on your USB you have to cut that track, so go and have a look at Brett's information. I've cut it, it's right down there. It's near the, I think it's a 2.2 resistor. Yeah, 2.2 resistor. You've got to cut that track out, and everything else seems to be working fine. So that'll time out eventually, apparently, hopefully. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We'll work it out. And yeah, I'm very impressed. And now I'm just learning a bit more about putting relays and stuff in. I've finally found another place I can get some batteries from. It's a little bit further away, which means I have to wait a while before I can go there. But other than that, yeah, my batteries are slowly going up, and I mean very slowly, because this new source doesn't have many, but it's better than nothing. So yeah, but if you guys know a source in Australia and Victoria that you can put me onto, please leave a comment below. Please like if you like what we've been doing with this. And yeah, pretty much that's compiled, and all I have to do is undo it and then press my button over here, put my USB in, and download the file by using that button there. Okay, that's it for me for today. Hopefully everyone's having a great day, and if you're still having a weekend, I'm jealous. But yeah, in Australia it's Monday morning. Okay, catch ya, bye.